Oh, isn't that nice? Somebody sent me flowers. No, it's not flowers. Let's open this up. They didn't leave a message. What they left are a couple of long cardboard tubes. Let's open one of them up. Now, what could that be? Oh, there's a USB cable. So in there we find a bunch of little leads going to bare wire, a USB cable with a couple little extension leads, and some eye hooks over here, and these tubes that all have LEDs and wires. Let's pull one of them out. And here is the tube. In here is something so awesome, I can't even tell you. Now, I had a video some time ago that said something big is coming to Jay's Bar, or something big is coming to Club J. And this is what it is, and there's a dozen of them. And this is what you saw in that video. But let me go ahead and show you the part you didn't see on this circuit board, because it's a little hard for me to show you here, and the video I had from that is a lot better. So yeah, if you saw, from the same person that brought you the neon sign for the JK18 channel, Michael Geggsno, once again, has hand-created these. He had the circuit boards printed and then soldered all of the LEDs and all the components and stuff in place. And he says that Big Clive was the inspiration for this design. So I got a bunch of these now. There's the mode button with a little hole drilled, so you can stick a little thingamajobber in there and poke it. Screwed in there to hang up. The leads, which will plug into one of these. So let's go get some power. This guy thought of everything. There's just enough extensions to make it to the outlet. You probably knew I was going to do this right here. So we're all set, hooked up USB. Everything is red to red, black to black. So we're good to go. Let's power it on. Oh, Dick. Oh, Dick. And remember, it's double-sided. So we'll go like that. Wow. Everything in complete sequence. And the flashy at the end. And now we'll try some of the other modes. Let me see if I can get this in better position. I bought this little tabletop vise years ago, and I never used it. And I said, hey, that would be perfect for this. So it just holds it right in place. And we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and try to poke the mode button. I think I'll set the tripod up. There we go. Let's hit the button again. I like the little flashy at the end when you switch modes. That one's kind of cool. Ooh. Isn't that awesome? I like that one too. That's cool. Wow. Nice. This is just over the top. Hand soldered surface mount components. Unreal. And there's a dozen of these fucking things. Oh, Dick. This is so awesome. I can't even. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, man. I don't know what I want. Yeah, I think we're going to leave it there. I kind of like that for now. I kind of really do like that for now. Let me shut the lights off. Damn. That... I can't even. Wow, man. That is just fucking awesome. Oh, man. I like that mode a lot. I'm going to see if I could just hang this up from like one of the pipes here or something, and we'll see what it'll look like hanging up now. Holy crap. Could you imagine like a dozen of these fuckers going? Damn. This is just awesome all around. If I get it at the right angle, which I'd have to just adjust the eye hook in the ceiling, then you can kind of see both sides of it. Just the way it hangs here is not quite right, so I have to hold it a little. There, you can get the idea there. That is awesome. And now, of course, these are going to hang from the ceiling at Club J. Now, if I hang it here, it's going to be a little bit below. My head would clear this. Other people, maybe not so much. The other option is to mount it up in here, but I think you lose a lot of it. So I'd have to just power it and hold it and see if it lights the ceiling up kind of cool. You know, maybe that's an option or something like that. But, man, he worked on this for months. And this is the end result of that. It's, I mean, I'm flabbergasted. The neon sign was awesome. But this is fucking handmade here. I mean, designed and fucking manufactured and put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears and burnt fingers and burnt tweezers into this. Shit. This is unreal. This is going to be awesome. Now, when I'm going to get around to actually putting these up, fuck knows. I have so much stuff that can go up in Club J and Jay's Bar, and there's so much stuff, so it's going to have to be like a nice snowy day where you're stuck inside all day, knowing the next day you're going to be out half the day snow blowing. Yeah, probably going to be one of those type deals when I actually get around to this, but fucking right, this is just amazing. So a huge thank you to Michael Gegsnow once again for, I'm going to have to humble myself, being more awesome than me. It happens, people, it happens. So that's it. The Trippy Dippies. Trippy Drippies, pardon me. Trippy Drippies. Which is why I fucked it up in the first place. They're here. They're awesome. And a big thank you once again to Michael Gegsnow. No videos on his channel, but subscribe. He's not going to bother you because he don't post videos, so just subscribe. It's not going to hurt nothing. Link in prescription. Thank you, huge thank you, once again to Michael Gegsnow. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe. And take care. We'll drip you next time. Bye-bye.